Today I'm going to show you how to use the AI scheduling tool in Motion. So there's a bit of work around the AI scheduling that you can actually do here. So if you go into one of your projects, say perhaps project 1, we're going to go over to the right. If you hold your shift key in, you can go over to the priority of each one of your projects. Okay. Now, as you can see, if you go into calendar view, which I'm just going to open up in another tab so that we can bounce between the two, having a look at the calendar view, okay, you can see that we have a couple tasks over here. All right, and each one of these tasks have a different priority. Now, if you click inside of that, you'll see the details of this task within your calendar. Now, there's a few different things that you can do. Of course, you can change a bunch of the settings on this task over here, but you can also click on the Do ASAP, right? And if you click on the Do ASAP, it'll schedule this task before all of your other tasks, and you can click on Save. Now, this is manual, but if you're in projects and you change one of the settings, so let's change the priority over here to ASAP. We can change this one over here to ASAP as well. And these two tasks, now you will see, if we go back onto our calendar, on the top right, you'll say refresh all tasks. It's now recalculating your tasks, and basically what it's going to do is it's going to take the tasks that you set as priority and it's going to set them before any of your other tasks. Okay, so these are now being set as priority. You can also go into the plus icon to create an event, and here you can say Open Scheduling Assistant, and this is the AI assistant that you can actually use. So let's say we want to select a time. Let's say we're going to select the 1:30 to 2 o'clock time slot here. You can have a look, and on your left hand side, change your guest attendees. You can also just adjust the time. So for example, if you want that from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., it'll take up that 1 hour slot. Click on select time. Here, your event detailing, you can set whether you're having a conference, you can set a location, you can set if you're busy or free, your status, your default visibility, then your account, and then your color. What you are going to then do is click on create event. Basically what it's going to do is this AI schedule tool is going to allow you to schedule and set priority. And basically when you create your event, let's just give it an event name. So let's just say event 1. When you go and create an event, it's going to throw this onto your calendar and it's going to change the priority. So if you go and click in over here, you can add it to one of your projects over here. So you can add to whichever project you would like to add this to. So let's say your private workspace and you want to add it to project 1. It'll now be in project 1. Okay, so let's just go in over here. And we have, if we have a look through our list, we can then have that event 1 over here. And if you come over, you'll go to priority and you'll be able to set that priority to ASAP so that on your event calendar, that event will be pushed up to the top of your schedule.